welcome back to my YouTube channel. Shucks, nauho ko. Naunod ko guys. So yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is like Friday and it's 5:10 in the afternoon and I'm just like walking right here, because like boring man sa house, so like walking and shocks like so nakoy mga ninikulib na ko si Shimi the greeter, the bombs, the redundant assist. So we're going.
Dito to.
Hi babu. Hi babe. Come here. Hi. Say hi. 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 Oh babu. Look at me. Who's pretty? Happy?
Me.
Very good.
Wow.
Come here. Face bow. Ooh. High five. Make a promise. Kiss me. So karon namin challenge. Kanay siya ng mga flower. Di ko kabal ay flower ni. Di mo ni flower sagbot man ni. So daghan kay naghinana dira sa mga loyal dira daghan kay nasa nani. So manguha sila duha mag-count lang og 15 seconds. Listen, mag-count ko og 15 seconds. Unya kinadaghanan og makakuha ni nani kay maoy
Guwapa.
oh, maoy guwapa. More na siya ha. So maoy guwapa. So mag-count ako. Ready na mo? Uy, Mia, you listen. Are you ready? What you mean? Okay, so let's start. Are you ready? Sige. Time starts now! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Come here na, uy. Manayap. Yay, si Mia ang nakauna. So, si Mia.
Ay, guwapa.
Uy, ayaw sa gilabay. Oh, si Shimin Rogue, si Mia ang mag-play. Alimin, kamuran duha. Okay, so mao ni ka Mia. Mao ni ka Shimin. Si Yapi kay wa man siya buot iya mang gilabay. So, sa may kinadaghanan, obvious man kaayo, asa may kinadaghanan yang imo ha? More ka ati Shimin man mas daghan yang. So, ang winner kay si Ate Shimin og si Ate Mia. Kay si Mia man una naabot no. Very good kayo pag 15 seconds.
Hi guys. May bulat. Kasi mo bulat. Nice, nigga. Wala say buwak. Naran, dako. Ako gamay. Smile. Hi guys. Interested? Wala.
guys, so more to siya itong video for today, no? And before na ako i-end ang video, I just wanna share to you a verse na makita sa Second Timothy 1 verse 7. It states there that for God has not given us the spirit of fear and timidity, but of power, love, and self-discipline. So I pray that you all will embrace that power, that love, and that self-discipline, and know that we can do all things through Christ who gives us strength. Thank you so much, and I love you all. I hope you have an amazing day and amazing life. I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Subscribe!